Hello everyone, this is Rohan Agrawal once again, and today I'm going to show you some of the features of Windows Phone 8.1, some of the good ones and well some of the bad ones that I don't really like. I really hate them. So the first thing over here is our start screen. That's all nice. The transitions are good. The notification center works well. There's different audio settings for apps and for your ringer. That's really nice. Well, the first problem that I have with this one, Windows Phone 8.1, is that there's no Facebook Messenger app on this. Over here, if in Windows Phone 8 you had this tab called Online, where you could see the people who were online and you could chat with them over Facebook. That's not available anymore. I don't know why Microsoft did that. I did read something about Facebook wanting to do that and to promote its Messenger app, but I don't know why they had to remove the native support from there, because that was one of the best features of Windows Phone 8 for me. Windows Phone basically, because it was there in Windows Phone 7 as well, I suppose. So that was really good, but they removed that. Plus, there's one more thing called now this is I'll open up some stupid chat. Yeah, okay. Now this one over here we have the swipe keyboard, which is really nice. You just have to start swiping and it will detect. You don't need to toggle any settings or anything. It's really intuitive, it's really good. It works just as well as on any other operating system, I suppose. However, the problem with the keyboard in Windows Phone 8.1 for me was that they have removed the comma key from here in the native keyboard. You have to press the and 1, 2, 3 button, and only then you can get the comma key for you to use. Now, why they removed that, I don't know, but it becomes a little less intuitive for me, because I don't know, you have to keep pressing the full stop key or the period key, and only then you can sort of swipe and use the comma key. Well, it's doable, but it just looks like one more additional step. So there's that. The other thing is the Games Hub. Now the Games Hub, I think this problem is limited to the developer preview, or at least I hope, because this thing is extremely laggy. It lags a lot, and I suppose they will fix it in a subsequent update. But the problem with Games Hub is that now you have a Games Hub, so it's a hub, so all your games should be there. So you don't really need for those to be here, right, in your app tray, because as you can see, there's Angry Birds, and then there's Cut the Rope, there's Rayman Jungle Run. So all these games, they shouldn't be here. That's what I think, because it unnecessarily populates the app tray. And if you have a Games Hub, you won't go in the app tray to look for games. You'll just go in the Games Hub and you'll fire your game up from there. So that is wrong. That's bad. That's not wrong. Okay, and then here is the Music Hub, the new Music Hub. Now the only problem that I had with the previous Music Hub was that creating playlists was a pain, and there was absolutely no way to edit your playlist. I mean, you couldn't even delete tracks. So that really needed fixing. What Microsoft did was that it just changed the whole Music Hub to Xbox Music. Now Xbox Music, it's good. It does fix the playlist option over here. What I could do is I could just go create a playlist, and I could add songs from here, whatever songs I like, and then I could just go there, save, and from here I can add, or I could remove. So this all is good. It's nice. But the thing is, what I didn't like was that the Music Hub, the Xbox Music, is not really Metro anymore. Before you had different tabs over here, different pages, in which you had a new tab and then recent tab. So that was very intuitive according to me, and that was also one of my most favorite features of Windows Phone 8. But they've removed that, so I hope that they get that UI back into Xbox Music, or they get this playlist option back into the Music Plus Video Hub, and they get it on here, because this, according to me, it's plain. I mean, it reminds me of Symbian, to be honest. So that's not what I want. Apart from that, Cortana works well. I installed the new language pack in this English US language pack, and I changed my region settings to US. So now Cortana works, and it works pretty well. It also detects everything that I say. For example, over here, Cortana, what's the weather like? Okay, now, yeah.
Right now, it's 86 and sunny.
Okay, so it says 86 and sunny, so that's good. It works well. I don't see any practical application of this in day-to-day usage, because you really don't want to look like, well, okay, fine, I'll just keep that for everyone to decide whether it's good or bad. But it's certainly a very good feature, and it's on the same page as Siri, to be honest. I mean, Siri is probably not as good as Cortana, at least in terms of detection of the words in the language, but Cortana works really well. I like that. And there's a new Windows logo which they show at the start of the when you boot your device. The Windows logo that's shown is just the same as the show on Windows 8.1. So on some level, it sort of tells us that Windows and Windows Phone, well, they are about to be on the same page anytime soon, probably with the next update, for both Windows and Windows Phone. So that is good. Well, so yes, that's pretty much it. The comma key is deleted from the standard keyboard. That's not nice. I mean, I don't see why they've done that. Look, that's the logo that I was talking about, and it boots up pretty fast. I probably a couple of seconds faster than Windows Phone 8, and that's good. But yes, Microsoft, you don't have to show games in the app tray. That's just, it's unnecessary. Then there's Facebook chat, that's removed. That I don't know if it's Facebook that's not allowing Microsoft to do that, then fine, I can take that. But it's one big feature that's gone out of Microsoft. Oh wait, just a second. Maybe I have to install this new app over here, and probably then I'll get the Facebook app. I don't know. Okay, I'll install it right now, and let's see what happens. I'll get back to you about this. Everything else works really nice. I really appreciate the different sound controls, and the UI itself is really fast and fluid now. It's faster than before. It's smoother. It's faster. I mean, there is a noticeable difference that I guess. So I did install the new Facebook app, and it's running in the background now. But what I realized while checking my email plus accounts is that there's no Facebook account over here. You can't sync your Facebook account here. So probably the support has been withdrawn by Facebook, so it's not Microsoft's fault. Well, nevertheless, it doesn't work for me. That's the bottom line. So that's wrong. And I also missed out on the Internet Explorer. The new Internet Explorer 11, which is found in Windows Phone 8.1, that is also quite a bit of overhaul. Over here I have about 4 tabs open, and well, you can open more. Before we had the option of only opening up to 6 tabs, but over here, as you can see, I already have 7 tabs, so that's good. And the HTML5 coding has been improved. Now this is mobiletechreview.com. It's one of my most favorite websites for reviews of all kinds, and here there's a video which is the Nokia Lumia icon video review, and if I play over here, it plays. And before, what used to happen in Windows Phone 8 was that
this is Lisa from Mobile Tech.
The video would actually show in full screen and you can't review anything else. But here, if this is playing and I can still swipe, so that's good. And if I click over here, it's in full screen now. Here,
pretty much everything we hope from for the Lumia 1520, just a more manageable size package. We're gonna look at it.
Yeah, and here there's this new option called Read. Now this was also one of the features that I really liked about iOS on my iPhone, and this has been implemented in Internet Explorer 11, so that is good. I really like that. Of course, this does change into landscape mode as well, and I think you should have been able to increase or decrease the font, but I think probably it's there, somewhere in the settings of this particular of Internet Explorer. Basically, if I go into settings, let's see, no, I don't think there is any. Yeah, okay, so yes, you can increase the size from here, and when you go into read, you'll get really big text, and I really like that. So for now, I really feel that, of course, you can connect your Windows 8 device, so you can sign in with the same ID on this and on that, and it will show all the tabs that are open on your other devices that are synced with this phone. So that's really nice. I haven't synced my laptop with this, so it's not showing anything here. So for now, it does look like Windows Phone 8 has really caught up with all the other operating systems. Yeah, well, that's pretty much it. So Windows Phone 8.1. Well, do let me know what you feel about this, and that's it. If you have any more queries, feel free to comment. Thank you, and have a nice day. Bye bye.